Hey guys, hello and welcome to Tech Guiding Hub YouTube channel. So guys, in this video we are going to learn how to install the Google Camera app in any Realme device such as Realme 1, Realme 2, Realme 2 Pro and Realme C1. So let's get straight into the video. But guys, before going into the video, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notified about latest technology. So guys, I have given 3 links in the description. Check which link is work in your device. So I have Realme 2 Pro with me and I have installed the Google Camera app in this. So here you can see that here all the features of Google Camera works perfectly fine. So this is the camera, and when I click the picture, here you can see the picture is get clicked in very good quality, better than the stock camera of Realme 2 Pro. When you swipe from the left side, you can see all the features of the Google Camera app comes out. The lens blur, the panorama and the photosphere works extremely fine in this. And here you can see I have opened the photosphere option in the Google Camera and it's working fine. But guys, in some of the devices the video mode of the Google Camera doesn't work. So I just check out the video mode and the video mode is working in this Google Camera app. So that's how you can download the Google Camera app, and the Google Camera app works very fine in any Realme device. So guys, please subscribe to our channel and check out other videos in our channel. I have made so many videos on the Realme devices and their features. And thanks for watching the video. Goodbye.